In this video, I'm going to show you how to add my business location to my Instagram account. So once I go to my account on Instagram, of course, I'll have to go to my profile at the bottom left. Once I do so, or right, sorry. Once I do so, I'll have to click on three dots at the top right. And as you can see, this will take us right here. So what I'll need to do here is simply go and scroll down a little bit and look for creator tools and stuff. If you don't want to just keep scrolling, look for it, you can simply use this search button. And here, as example, you can just go and look for, I'll just type here tools. As you can see, business tools and control, just creator tools and stuff. So in here, as you can see, you'll find a lot of stuff. So what are we looking for is switch an account type. So I can scroll down. It should be right here. So as you can see, here it is, switch account type. I can just go and click on it. So as you can see, you can switch to a personal account or switch to a creator account. So if you go and switch to a personal, as you can see, switch to personal account. And when you switch to personal account, you'll lose access in the app site. Of course, for you, you should not like switch to personal account. You'll have to click on switch to a business account. For me, I'm already having a business account, but for you, if you don't have it, make sure to go and do it. Of course, you can also switch to a creator account if you want to. But a business account is what we are looking for, especially if you want to add your business location to your Instagram. Now, once you've done this, simply go back here to your profile. And as you can see here, you'll find professional dashboard added if you switch it to your professional account or business account. Now you can go and click on add this profile. And here's an example. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll find a lot of information that you can add. So you'll just scroll down until we find an example. Sorry, I don't know why this added. Let me just go scroll down until I find here contact option. Once I click on it, as you can see here, I'll be able to go and click on the business address or location. And here I'll be able to add that business address. So I'm just going to add some random stuff here. I don't know, like just say something like this. I don't know. And I think this is like something. I'm just going to click on yes and okay. And as you can see, it will be added. Of course, for you, make sure to have it like the right one, not just like me here. So yeah, as you can see, do you haven't saved changes? Are you sure you want to cancel? No, I want to save it as example. And of course, make sure to save your changes and your business location will be added to your Instagram. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.